Hello everyone. As you know, nowadays we are discussing class 7th recitation book chapter Night Witches. Okay. So today we will proceed this chapter. From here means you can say passage number 6. The Night Witches were largely unique among the female fighters. Okay, as you know that this story belongs to a Second World War, and the Night Witches was the female fighters, and even the female flyers of World War II. Not only Night Witches was the female fighters, was you can say that there were many female fighters during the Second World War. Other countries, the US among them, may have allowed women to fly as members of their early air forces. And this story belongs to the forces of air, means you can say that air forces. Those women, however, served largely in support of transport roles. And during the Second World War or in normal time, transport system's role is so much important. So the Soviet Union was the first nation to allow women to fly combat mission. There was a combat mission, and this was belongs to the Soviet Union. So here the Soviet Union was the first nation to allow women, means you can create a new question that which nation was the first nation to allow women to fly combat mission. So you can get reply Soviet Union. To be able essentially to return fire when it was delivered, the ladies flew planes. They also dropped bombs. Okay, so here you can find out that during the Second World War, female fighters were allowed by the Soviet Union to fly the planes and drop bombs. One of the most famous of the Night Witches, Nadjada. So Night Witches, there were many Night Witches, and you can say that when was the king system, this was not a democracy at that time. Army was rewarded by king or queen, that is known as knighthood. Popova, a commander of the squad who flew in total 85 of its missions. Okay, so here this was the number of fighter, how many missions he had flew. Passed away in 2013. Who passed away in 2013? You can say Popova passed away in 2013. She was 91, and at that time when she passed away, when she went from this world to another world, the age of the Popova was 91, and the obituaries that resulted celebration of her life and legacy. Largely many of us around the world serve as a reminder of the great things the female flyers accomplished, things made even more remarkable considering the limiting technology that was available to the women. So here you can say that in this way many types of technologies were available for the women, and that was the remarkable considering thoughtful. The witches, here you can say that the witches flew only in the dark, and this was an instruction during the Second World War that the witches means the female women fighters used to flew only in the dark because of the weight of the bombs they carried and the low altitudes at which they flew. Okay, so this was the reason they carried two parachutes when they used their when they used to fly their flights at that time, they carried no parachutes. Okay, this was also some amazing matter. But nowadays there was a parachutes. They had no radar, no navigate, and nowadays our technology has developed so much. Their path through the night skies only maps and compasses. Only maps and compasses they can understand where and which direction they are flying their flights. If hit by bullets, their crafts could burst into flames like the paper's plane they resembled, which was not a small concern. Okay, guys. So in this way, you can say that this story belongs to a Second World War. Almost every time Popova once recalled, we had to sail through a wall of enemy fire, and they did their best during the Second World War. Their missions were dangerous, they were also a secondary challenge, unpleasant. So, here you can say that the night witches missions were very dangerous, very harmful, very risky. They were also a secondary challenges, unpleasant. Each night in general, 40 planes means in each and every night. In generally, if we want to say that in each night, near about 40 planes, each crewed by two women. Okay, a pilot and a navigator would fly 8 or more missions. Popova herself once flew 18 in single night. Means this was so much amazing matter that in single night Popova flew 18 flights. The women's uniforms were hand-me-downs from male pilots. The women's uniforms were hand-me-down from male pilots, and their planes had open cockpits, leaving the women's faces to freeze in the chilly night air. When the wind was strong, it would toss the plane. Popova noted in winter when you had look out to see your target better, you got frostbite. Our feet froze in our boots, but we carried on flying. In this way, we can say that this was the condition of the Second World War, and which condition night witches and night witches were female fighters. Okay, what was the role during the Second World War of the female fighters is described in your book and in this chapter night witches. So guys, today's homework is that you should read each and every line, and you should try to understand the explanation of this chapter and the explanation of these lines. If you got any kinds of problem, then you should contact to me. Okay, so this is your today's homework. You should try to understand the explanation of these lines.